Please be seated. Has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes.
Madam, would you please hand the bailiff the verdict? Madam Clerk, would you please read the verdict?
In the Circuit Court of the First Judicial Circuit of Okaloosa County, Florida, State of Florida Plaintiff versus Anthony Elizalde, Defendant, Clerk Number 4622CF1907, Verdict. We, the jury, find as follows as to count one of the information. The defendant is not guilty. So say we all this 30th day of October, Jennifer Johnson, foreperson.
Very good. Thank you very much. So, again, I would like to thank does the state or the defense wish to poll the jury?
The state does, Your Honor.
Madam Clerk, would you poll the jury, please?
Jennifer Johnson, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Troy Peden, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Timothy Peasley, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Janet Sanders, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Rita Sherwood, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Nigel Gregory, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to conclude by again thanking you for your service, not only to the court system but to the community at large. Your participation in a jury process is essential to the functioning of our criminal justice system, and we owe our deepest thanks for that. The one thing I would say to you throughout this hearing today, or throughout this trial, the court has admonished you repeatedly not to talk about the case with anybody. That admonition is now over, and you have a right to discuss this case, the deliberations of the case, with anybody you want to. However, you also have the absolute right not to talk about it to anybody. That's your right. Nobody can force you to do that, and no lawyers will call you. Okay, so you have the right to say what you want. So I just want you to be clear, because we kept repeating it throughout the course of this thing. Don't say anything, so I just want to know that that is lifted now that the trial is over. So we just ask that you leave the notes, as I said to you before. I will personally take those notes, and they'll walk back to my office and put them through the shredder before I leave the building this evening. And I think that's all we need. And we'll go back to the jury assembly if they need anything. We got the certifications already. Okay, anything else? State? Defense? Okay, one last time, please stand for the jury. Thank you all very much for your service. Very good.